Hey, what's up, guys? I would like to fix your iPhone storage issues once and for all. This is actually free. There's no subscription, no equipment like NAS. This is not sponsored. I'm not selling anything. This was original solution I've had for years. I didn't use AI or anything for this. This is just old school stuff that works. So the problem is cloud is kind of a scam once you use it a lot. Like, do you know a person that takes a lot of videos and photos? And also it's slow. I don't mind we paying for it, but it's kind of slow. Like my wife was at a concert. She wanted to record the whole video, and that caused her storage to be full right away. So she had to delete stuff on her iCloud permanently, and it was a rush. And so we lost like years of footage like that. So this was a huge problem for me at least. And who am I? I'm just gonna this is my account. This is my wife's account. So we do a lot of videos. Okay, we do a lot of 4K videos. We've been at this for 10 years. I built this website for her. Okay, old school solution, guys. Let's talk about the old school solution. So this is my mindset, and I hope you agree. It should have been this simple. It should just be have a hard drive that's cheap. When your stuff is full, store it in there like it's a storage box, right? But if you actually try the AI solutions or the YouTuber solutions, you'll run into all these headaches, just like this guy here, right? I don't want to bore you with all the headaches you ran into, but here are some that I ran into. I don't know. If you want to go down this path, go ahead. But I'm telling you, as a tech savvy guy, I just found it was not worth it. So this is a solution. You could just end the video here, download those apps. Trust me, I have nothing to gain here. It's a really, really good app. Just know you need to download it on both devices. Oh, you want an explanation? Okay, I'll explain to you. Here's my step-by-step guide, okay? It's gonna be really quick. I'm not gonna go into like super detail because I think people are just gonna download it themselves and learn themselves. First, you download this thing on your phone and a spare computer with enough storage, right? Have a fast Wi-Fi connection ready because this whole thing, it doesn't work on the cloud, but it works on your Wi-Fi network, which is really, really fast. Okay, you want to set it up, play around for a bit, send the test, right? So once you have this installed, there's not much to it to set up really. You see the destination is here, right? The destination here, that's my wife, my beautiful wife. So yeah, once you have it set up, installed, do a test. And here's a trick that I found, okay? In iPhone or maybe Android too, it's easy to double, it's easy to select a range, but in this app, you can only select a range by double tapping. So what you do is double tap once, and then you single tap, okay? That'll do what you actually want to do, which is back up multiple files and multiple videos. I'm backing up something right now, and I just cleared another 10 gigabytes off my phone, okay? And yeah, you can send it all, but don't send everything on your phone if you have a lot. If you have like 100 gigabytes of stuff, or if you have like years of photos, I would not recommend you do it all, just because, again, because going back to this, okay, there's all sorts of security, there's all sorts of excuses for it not to work because your stuff is synced up to the cloud, okay? That's a whole issue here. The cloud is kind of a scam because it doesn't work. It doesn't give the promise of like ultra freedom convenience that we were promised, right? Okay? So just do it a little bit at once. Treat it like this. Treat it like you're just like it's the good old days and you're just backing up stuff on a CD or something like that, okay? And also just another last pro tip, okay? Um, you can clear your storage issue. You can clear this temporarily by just going to settings and doing an offload of the Photos app and the Dropbox app. I'll upload a video where I did this in a restaurant. It's really not that deep. It's really simple. But if you're not too tech savvy, if you want me to make some more non-BS videos, just let me know. I'm happy to do it. And last but not least, there are some advanced use cases for this for the power users out there. You can do auto backup. I've been testing it. It actually works. You can use this to make iCloud better. So yeah, this is what I've been using it for because I still need iCloud, unfortunately, as a backup because we're in the media space, right? I do use it to kind of replace my NAS, but I don't consume that much media. I'm not a digital hoarder either, so I use it like once in a while, and I do use it for this. I use it for, sending files from my computer to my phone, because it's so much better than relying on the cloud. We have a fiber Wi-Fi connection, but just the magic of like almost instantaneously sending a 5-minute video just means so much to me. Anyways, hope you guys like this. Please give it a like and even considering commenting if this was useful to you.